Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Netflix back screen with sound. If you hear the sound but only see a back screen on Netflix, close the app immediately. Swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for Netflix, swipe it away, then reopen it and try playing the video again once you force close it. Next, turn off any screen overlay or screen recording app. This can interfere with video playback. Then, make sure your phone software is fully updated. Older system versions may cause the display issues. If you're using the battery saver mode on, then make sure to turn it back off. This battery restrictions can block proper video rendering. Finally, reinstall the Netflix app if the black screen problem continues. Long press on the Netflix app, click on the remove app, then delete it. After deleting the app, to reinstall, head over to your app store, search for Netflix, then reinstall it from there, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.